So I'm going to teach you how to fold my origami airplane that I call Stingray. I do not have a model on me. I just gave my other one to my best friend. Not for beginners. Let's go. So you want to fold it in half first. Make sure you crease sharply. Then fold in half this way. Don't fold all the diagonals. You only need one diagonal and you only need one fold in half. And this does get pretty thick. I've never done it I've never done it without standard printer paper. I just like the look and feel of printer paper. So you want to fold this over. Alright, and then you wanna squash fold this flap. You can pre-crease it if you want, but it's not really necessary to pre-crease it. Sorry, 20% battery warning. It's not necessary to pre-crease, but you can pre-crease if you'd like. Then you want to do the same on the other side. Squash fold this flap. So you may recognize this base as the base that Jayson Merrill uses in his I think it's Falcon A. It's one of his Falcon designs, but it's way simpler than his Falcon design. So you just want to fold this up so that it goes to both those corners. And flip to the other side and make sure it lines up with the center crease. And you want to fold this down along that tip right there, so it'll look like that. When you're done, sharply crease this, because this is a reference for the next fold. You want to fold it down onto that crease. And then fold it over again. That's going to help reinforce the wings later and reinforce the nose right there, so that when you throw it, doesn't crumple up the nose. Then I'm going to fold in. Sorry. Need to fix that real quick. You want to fold this into the center. And same with the other side. Why are you like this? Let me fix that real quick. Center crease is not correct. There we go. Okay, that should have fixed my problems. Alrighty. Let the flaps behind swing out when you do that. Wait, why is this not even? Okay. Just, you might see me fixing any uneven stuff throughout this tutorial. That is because don't always fold everything perfectly. So you want to take this part and you want to push it up and then refold everything down, giving you this flap up here. I'm going to use this flap to move some weight forward and reinforce the, oh, that's my foot, and reinforce the nose a little bit. Just to make sure that these stay, and it likes to come out a whole bunch. Alright, you want to fold these sides in to the center. That will, like I said before, that'll push some weight forward and reinforce the nose. You can tuck that under as well. Sorry, I keep clearing my throat. It's been throat's been pretty dry lately. So this is probably the thickest step. You wanna fold it down to about where this ends right here, so right there. And you wanna fold it, yeah, to there. I like to unfold here because, like I said, it gets pretty thick and ends up looking like that, which, you know. And one of the drawbacks of using standard printer paper. You're then going to use that line to take just this top flap, and you're going to fold it over so that it touches that line, and then goes down to that corner. So that's going to be the wing of the airplane. I want to do the same on the other side. Alright, so now that you have your wings, you can go to the back and you can, this is actually the top, you can go to the top and you can fold them over. This is going to help once you jet fold everything. You're going to take this flap and you're going to fold it over along that crease, so like that. Do the same on the other side. You're going to take this and you're actually going to fold it along that. These are going to become the tail fins later. And then you want to fold it back so that it goes to that corner right there. And lines up with this edge, this one. Then you want to fold it back one more time so that it still lines up with that edge right there, but it touches that corner now. Then you can unfold all that and repeat on this side. So, fold it over. Here. There. Then you just go and you inside reverse fold, I think that's what that's called. And do the same thing here along those creases, and then one more time along those creases. That'll give you a tail fin. You know, fold it over. Do the same thing on this side. Gonna make sure these are folded over. You're gonna need to do that for the next step. I wanna fold it down so it's parallel to that edge, and it touches the end there. Like that. And then you want to take this and you want to swivel it along. You want to swivel it right there so it stays at that corner, but it goes. You want to swivel it over so it's parallel with that edge. That's gonna make it look like that, and I thought it looked cool, so I did it. And then you can fold it in half, and instead of doing all the weird swiveling, you could just fold it down so it matches with the other side. Just makes everything easier. And then you're gonna sink those tips right there. So just you know, tuck them away. And we are almost done. So you want to fold the entire thing along right there. So like that. It's gonna, oh wait, I did it wrong. This part's tough for me. Probably won't be as tough for you guys though. See, it's gonna help us with the jet fold in a few minutes or seconds. Okay. And if the wing unfolds, just fold it back and then jet fold. Oh, wait, I mean, just make sure that when you're jet folding, it's all good here at the nose. Because it likes to, like I said before, it pops out a whole bunch. So yeah, jet fold. Fold the wings and such up. Can fold this up. There's no real like reference for that. That's just so you can make the afterburner. You know, fold it up so that it touches there. It touches this, like the edge of the wing, but no, like really where to fold it up to. So then we're gonna make it so that it locks together by folding this into fourths, or fourths, and then just rolling it up so it stays together real nice. And then if you want to make an afterburner, you just, I don't even know why these flaps exist, but you could just fold in these flaps and then fold this flap into here. Actually, you should probably fold this on the other side. So fold this flap into here and fold this other flap. Again, just make it so that it's on the other side. And then fold this flap into there. straighten everything out, finish shaping however you want. Spread those apart a little bit. And then, boom. Don't hate on me. This is my first tutorial. I'm not that good at making tutorials. I'm not as good as some other people. This is actually an entrance to a competition by the YouTuber Nick S. Origami. So if you're good at designing and making airplanes, you should go enter his competition. I'll leave a link to his channel and my inspiration, Jayson Merrill, his channel as well in the description. Have a nice day and happy flying.